You've found what you've been looking for in this lovely listing. There are 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, 1 half bathroom and 1 3/4 bathroom in this spacious 3,132 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 505-281-7767. That's 505-281-7767. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.